How long it took? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Do y'all see that? Like,
Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who.
Started with nothing, look at me now, I made a way for me. Remember them times when it was hard for me to save a G. The cars weren't always foreign, but we would get from A to B. Interior in the Beamer tan, Benz got some white seats. Hold on, baby, what's your name? Mr. Face for me. She from Memphis, from behind, looking like a Georgia peach.
what's up, y'all? It's Dominique Lachey, and we back with another video. And I know y'all see the hair. I know y'all see the new hair. Yeah, it's my hair. Stop playing. We wear. But if y'all want to see how I got this look, stay tuned for the video. But before we do that, I want to send a huge shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. Y'all already know how we do it in my videos. We just get to the point. So let's go. Okay, so as y'all can see, I put my hair in a ponytail. I didn't film me putting my hair in a ponytail because everybody know how to put their hair in a ponytail. So I'm going to show y'all different ways to wear this wig. Starting out, you see I left two little things out in the front, right? Rest in the ponytail. So let's get into the wig. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. And y'all, with this wig, I left it in the box because I love to show y'all the hair in raw form, ready to wear. Like, you don't have to do too much. Let's get into this. So they sent me over this beautiful headband. This is your 16-inch natural color curly 3B 3C hair. The cap size does fit out. It does not smell. I know y'all be talking about y'all hair smell, baby. HerGivenHair ain't giving y'all no funky hair. Adjustable band right here, comb at the top, on the side, and at the bottom. And also, ooh, we got a drawstring, so you know it's secured. One thing about HerGivenHair, it has this newly breathable cap on here, so your hair won't sweat or none of that. It's breathable. So this is a quick he on the way get ready style. So first, you're gonna put this comb as close to the hair as you can. You insert that comb, insert this side, insert what the other comb is. It don't hurt y'all. I'm just looking like this, and then you're gonna put the one in the back. Pull that drawstring, get tight on your head, secure, you get the fight ain't going nowhere. Tuck the drawstring. Okay, now as I said, I like to show the hair fresh out the box so y'all can see the natural state. We're not gonna leave it like this. You're gonna take some gel and some water, and we finna fix her up. You're gonna do this in sections. I'm gonna do this part a little quick. Put this over here. You can wash her and do like a braid out, a twist out if you going for the more natural look. But when I do these type of videos, I want y'all to see the hair in its natural form, because I know some people be wanting to see that. But we just doing like a, I really shouldn't have whoop sleeves. I tried to wear white so y'all can see. It's gonna be like a wash and go method. Just taking your hand and some gel to break up the curls a little bit. To make it, I like mine a little fuzzy just so it can look a little natural. But we want the juicy curls. We going for juicy curls. I like wash and go look though. Ooh, that's cute. This some good hair, baby. It don't take much. When I say this hair do not take much, just run your hands through whatever product you get. Ooh. The curls is curling. So this is the hair with water and product. This is the hair in its natural form. So the hair that you let out, you basically just gonna take that, put some little gel on it. I'm just doing the same thing that I did to this hair. Side part. And then you're gonna bring some of that hair from the back in the front. You see how it's blended now? Bring some of that hair in with your hair. You just gotta keep fixing it until you know, get it how you wanna get it. And as it dry, it's gonna get bigger. Okay then. Who said this ain't my hair? Where you see that headband at? Ah, okay. Now I'm about to show y'all where you can wear it with the headband. So So I already did my edges, as you see. Take her. Here's the wig. You putting the comb close as you can. I put one right there on the side, on the other side. You're not gonna tuck the headband this time. This time we showing the headband. And y'all take the one in the back. Pull that drawstring. It's tight. Tuck the drawstring. Fix hold. How long it took? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Do y'all see that? Like, you can style her up how you want to. Okay, that's real cute. Y'all see it? If you don't want it in your face or whatever.
I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I step in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks. We drunk and drunk and I think she thinks I'm cool.
So for my gym girlies, this is a quick little bun you can do so you don't want the hair in your face. Whatever you want to do. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the description box. I will have everything about this hair in the description box, so check that down below. I want to send one last shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out their website, y'all. Be sure to shop. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we out of here.